try to get in. Anyway, good morning. Frère Jacques, dormez-vous, dormez-vous. Mattina, sono le mattina, ding dang dong, ding dang dong. Yeah, yeah, go. Beep, beep, beep. Yeah. Frère Jacques. Frère, you can sing? I think she's got to be a musician. So many in the family. We'll have a band after in few years time with all the kids.
You sing.
Yes.
And then drum. You like drum as well.
This one's broken. Okay. No, leave there, my love.
You need to charge. It's not working. You need this chair.
Good morning. Breakfast time. Oh yeah. I love that.
Which one you love? This one?
That's what make me sick.
Huh?
This one make me sick, I think.
And then you love it?
I love it. I'll try again, but it's prosciutto. You can eat like that. You don't have to cook if you don't want to.
No, I don't want to eat raw. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm enjoying some good food. I don't know where this is made, but
No, go away. Ah!
careful your eyes.
See!
Danger.
You do for me. I don't care.
Mine's simple. From tomorrow I'll have 3 breads. Still on 2, like on diet. I got tuna. My garlic, of course. Okay, that's it. She loves it. But I can't do my video, she's so noisy. Yeah, cover yourself, good girl. Sorry guys, now we got Bella with the keyboard. So you got some background music. This is what Jan prepared for me, so beautiful, beautiful salad. Oh, that's it, perfect. I came to eat here. The veranda is nice and cool. I got a bit of a fun guy. It's nice here. Inside the house, so hot. Hopefully I can do some work on the bedroom after lunch. That's it. The protected flags. You got the warning on your phone. I think they are. At the bottom up there in the middle of the screen, start flooding. Oh my god. I don't have to worry about that. I'm just after about a million hours. People like area. It's been raining for some reason. No, because and it's very popular. But today it's extremely heavy. Everyone hasn't stopped. So there will be a lot of damage up there somewhere. Thanks God I got a good drain installed around the house. I'm finally finishing around here, so keep the water away from the foundation. Look at this. If I had 20 tanks to roll before in a matter of minutes. It's crazy. Oh, another sour sop there in the middle of the screen. It's great. Papa cut all the grass around there, it's good. We're going to have papaya for a long time. And there's some banana as well, I saw the other day. If you look at the middle of the screen, you can see it's all flooded up there. That is tropical rain. Never mind. Hey, good morning. Beautiful day. A little bit muggy, but it's okay. Alright, we're gonna get back to that bedroom. I'm sure the boss will be happy. Hi, boss.
I can see your tongue.
Yeah.
You go to school?
Everything beautiful here.
Yeah?
Everything. Yeah, wait for me, I'm coming. Okay, I know I've been putting this with the screws here and there. I don't think it's the right way because hardy freight is gonna go on top. So what I'm thinking to do is put some liquid nail behind it, see if it holds. So I'm gonna try that today, this morning, and if it works, then I will continue. So I'm gonna put some here. Yeah. Okay, lunchtime. It's a very healthy soup. That's it. Okay, that's how far I could have gone today. I meant to start bringing some hardy flakes on position, but it's been raining so hard, so we didn't go outside. So anyway, also I need more insulation. I don't have enough to cover all this wall. But what I like to do next is bring some hardy flex and start cutting. So this is the hardest part. Once the hardy flex on position, I will work on this side. Of course, I need to fix this electrical thing because we're not going to have a plug anymore there for the aircon. This cable will be used perfectly for the water pump, which is right under this room, which is Bella's room. Okay, so that's it for today. Let me know if you think, if you have any question or anything you want to suggest or criticize, or in a respectful manner without mocking. Now let me know if there's something that you like to comment on what I'm doing. I know how to cut in some areas, so maybe that's lose efficiency. I'm not too sure. Maybe I can put some kind of sticky tape. I got some sticky tape actually. So just maybe stop any heat coming in still. Let me know what you think. Okay. Tomorrow we're going to Clarin for Jan's passport. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Until the next video. Take care. God bless you all. Bye-bye.